Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert WhatsApp business account to personal account. So let me go to the business account. So this here you can see this is my WhatsApp business account and how I can convert to my personal WhatsApp account. So you have to download the another application that is normal WhatsApp. So first of all, we will go into the WhatsApp and here I have to click on agree and continue. Now you have to use the same number which you have used the in business account in business WhatsApp. So let me just type my same number. After adding the number, here you can see there is option that is it asking my name. So I will just type my name and I have to click on the next button, and here you can see that I have got into my normal WhatsApp account. But if I try to use my business account, see here it is asking that your phone number is no longer registered with the WhatsApp on the phone. So basically you can use only one number in both of the accounts. So you have, if you want to use both the WhatsApp business account and normal WhatsApp, you have to use two different numbers. Okay, so this is how you can convert WhatsApp business account to personal account. So if you found this video really helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.